Greg, most gardeners and cooks certainly are familiar with and know how to use the typical green basil. It's the one that's been around for just decades, it seems, the one that you see in most gardens all the time, yet you are holding a whole tray full of other kinds of basils. What else is there?
Well, there's all kinds of basils in the marketplace, and I think if a person wanted to put in a very attractive, functional, useful, culinary garden, they could just plant it with all basils. And basils basically are really unique annual herbs, easy from seed, and as you can see, the color and textures are quite varied. The one on the end is called Boxwood Basil. It has a very tiny leaf, and it grows in kind of a mound form, and it looks exactly like the boxwood hedge.
Yes.
And it makes a really nice border around the flower garden or in a vegetable garden, and again is a culinary herb. In the center here we have two kinds of purple basil. This one has a leaf that is very structured and textured and ruffled. This is a flat leaf, almost like the one you're holding in your hand, but this happens to be purple. So these purple basils offer that deep, intense purple coloration. And then we've got one over here that's called Thai basil. And Thai basil has a long, narrow leaf, and this one actually produces a rather interesting and good-looking flower, kind of a pinkish purple lavender flower, that is also useful as a culinary part of their plant. It offers a different look. This one tends to get tall and upright.
And I noticed the stems are quite red. That's another feature for the garden.
Red. Again, another feature that can be very attractive in the garden. The one up in front over here is called Cyan Basil. Again, very similar to the Thai basil. The leaf is a little bit, almost looks like a pepper plant, if you will. And then on the end is a basil similar to the one you're holding in your hand, but the leaves are highly ruffled and puckered and have texture to them. So you can see the wide diversity in colors and textures and forms of basil, and they all have their basic kind of a licorice, basil-y aroma and fragrance. Quite useful in the kitchen, and again, quite attractive in the garden.
Yeah, dual purpose. Thank you, Greg.